It's not until you fall that you fly. When your dreams come alive, you're unstoppable. Take a shot, take.
Hi guys, we will be doing a machine gun tutorial in Hyper Sandbox. Let's start by spawning 2 speed limit signs. Place them like this. You'll know when the distance is too long or short when you build the top part. Now spawn bottle danger and put it like this.
Три полоски, три полоски, три полоски, три полоски, три полоски.
Now spawn a block and put it like this.
Полоски, три полоски, три полоски, три полоски, три полоски, три полоски, три полоски, три.
Now use keyboards and make a tube like this.
Полоски, три полоски, три полоски, три полоски, три полоски, три полоски. Сандбокс кроссовки, Адидас кроссовки. Три полоски, три полоски, три полоски.
Now, we're gonna focus on the mechanism now. Use local rotator, put the prop. I'd put speed to 100 and put random numbers and put direction to Y. Spawn to buttons without toggle. We need to delete some numbers. Now follow my steps. Prop name rocket, delete after 10 and spawn the spawner. After you spawn one spawner, change prop name to pills 2 and spawn the spawner. Put the spawners like this. Rotate the spawner like this. Then make sure it spawns the rocket in the right direction and hits the green light of the repulsor. Now spawn repulsor. Put distance to 100 and force to any number you like. I recommend 100. Now wire and place it like this. Let's test fire.
Bruh.
This needs to be fixed. Yes, it fires faster and better than the original one. I don't know why, probably wide too. Bye guys, please like, subscribe, share, and comment. Bye.